Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chainsaw sharpeners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Oregon Compact Universal Chainsaw Sharpener. For a chainsaw sharpener to be worth using, it must be easy to set up and use, provide consistent results, and save you money compared to paying a professional. The Oregon Compact Universal Chainsaw Sharpener is a bench-mounted model that satisfies all those requirements. All the requisite mounting hardware is included right in the box, setup is quick and easy, and it will pay for itself after you've sharpened a couple dozen chains compared to taking it to a pro. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Oregon Compact Universal Chainsaw Sharpener. This compact bench grinder from Oregon provides the same great results as the Oregon 410 to 120, which we recommend as the overall best chainsaw sharpener for about half the price, which is why we think it's such a great value. It's capable of handling all the same size chains and provides similar results when sharpening most chains, although it lacks the power to effectively handle heavily damaged chains. While this sharpener doesn't include extra features like a built-in light or bench mounting hardware, it does include 2 grinding wheels for sharpening a wide variety of chains. At number 3, we have the Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. The Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit is our favorite electric chainsaw sharpener because it comes with everything you need to sharpen a variety of chainsaw sizes, including a rotary tool. It works fast with variable speeds and is easy to use. This kit includes a rotary tool, 3 different file sizes, and a chainsaw angle attachment that helps you guide the file at the correct angle for an optimum sharpening job. It is all freehand, so you may not achieve professional results the first time, especially if you have to deal with a wobbly collet, but the guide shows you exactly how to hold it in relation to the chainsaw chain. You'll want to take a break between chains though, as the rotary tool can get a little hot after extended use. At number 2 we have the Tuff Benchtop Chainsaw Sharpener. Bench-mounted chainsaw sharpeners need to provide precision and flexibility to be worth it, which is why this Tuff model is our favorite. It's designed for installation on most work surfaces, including tables, workbenches, and walls. It's built around a powerful 230-watt motor that runs at 3,600 RPM for fast and effective sharpening. We love that this bench sharpener has a built-in work light, making it easy to see exactly what you're doing as you line up each tooth on the chain and then bring down the grinding wheel with the large handle for precise sharpening. And finally at number 1 we have the Garrett Wade Quick Feed Chain Sharpener. This bench-mounted sharpener is our favorite in terms of speed because it turns in exceptionally fast results without compromising on quality. It takes about 5 minutes to set the unit up, and then you can sharpen an entire 20-inch chain in about 4 minutes, which is about a minute less per chain than the Oregon Compact Universal Chainsaw Sharpener, our best overall pick, and substantially less effort thanks to the auto-feeding mechanism. Electric chain sharpeners make it easy to sharpen many chains at once or to zip one off quickly, but they're often time-consuming to set up. The Garrett Wade Quick Feed Sharpener takes care of that with a simplified setup procedure and an auto-feeding mechanism that takes all the hard work out of the process. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.